Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. The Heaven Education Foundation, Islamabad. We are delivering lecture on of exercises of Brennan Martin, and in this video you will watch exercise 42, 43, and 44. Inshallah. Let's start our exercise. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, then you will have my new upcoming videos. Rewrite the following sentences so that the verbs will be in the active voice. Number 1, he was praised by his father. How can you transform it to active voice? First of all, subject, verb, and object, because this is past tense. Subject, second verb, and object. His father is subject. His father praised him. He changed into him because this is objective case. The first railway was built by George Stephenson. Yes, George Stephenson built the first railway. Yes, number 3, the horse was frightened by the noise. The noise frightened the horse. Not a word was spoken by Latif. Latif did not speak a word. The teacher was pleased with the boy's work. The boy's work pleased the teacher. The boy's work pleased the teacher. Number 6, he was taken to the hospital by his friend. His friend took him to the hospital. He was taken to the the town was destroyed by an earthquake. An earthquake destroyed the town. The road was lined with people. The people lined the road. The president was welcomed by the people. The people welcomed the president. Because we are doing this passive voice, past indefinite tense is here. Second verb we will use. We will transform passive voice to active voice. Third form to second verb. Shakuntalam was written by Kalidas. Kalidas wrote Shakuntalam. The building was damaged by the fire. The fire damaged the building. I was struck by his singular appearance. His singular appearance struck me. Those cars were built by robots. Robots built those cars. The streets were thronged with spectators. The streets were thronged with spectators. Spectators thronged the street. The trees were blown down by the wind. The wind blew down the trees. Number 16. We shall be blamed by everyone. Everyone will blame us. Number 17. The child was knocked down by a car. A car knocked down the child. Number 18. Alice was not much surprised at this. This did not much surprise Alice. He will be greatly surprised if he is chosen. It will greatly surprise him if they choose him. Now we will do exercise 43. Write 3 sentences with the verbs in the active voice and rewrite them with the passive voice. First of all, we will write 3 sentences of active voice. Everyone praised the boy. Yes, the boy was praised by everyone. Columbus discovered America. America was discovered by Columbus. Someone has stolen my purse. My purse has been stolen by someone. You may write by your own choice any active voice and any passive voice sentences. This is exercise of 43. Now we will do exercise of 44. Open your page, exercise 44. In the following sentences, change the voice. We elected Balu captain. We elected Balu captain. Balu captain was elected by us, because second verb is used here, so we will use was. Object comes first. I saw him opening the box. He was seen by me opening the box. We must listen to his words. We must listen to his words. His words must be listened to. We always use add BEB with modal verb must. Okay. Shall I ever forget those happy days? Will those happy days ever be forgotten? Number 6. His subordinates accused him of various offenses. Number 6. Yes, and he was accused of various offenses by his subordinates. Number 7. One cannot gather grapes from thistles. One cannot gather grapes from thistles. Grapes cannot be gathered by one from thistles. The telegraph wires have been cut. The telegraph wires have been cut. Someone has cut off the telegraph wires. Number 9. Alas, we shall hear his voice no more. Alas, exclamation mark, his voice will be heard no more. The 1998 Asian Games were held in Bangkok, Thailand. The 1998 Asian Games were held in Bangkok, Thailand. Games number 10. Yes, number 10. They held the 1998 Asian Games in Bangkok, Thailand. This is they, not the. This is they. They this is the 1998 Asian Games were held in Bangkok, Thailand. Yes, they held the 1998 Asian Games in Bangkok and Thailand. Without effort, nothing can be gained. Sorry. Without effort, one can gain nothing. Do not insult the weak. Let the weak not be insulted. All desires wealth and some acquire it. All desire wealth and some acquire it. Wealth is desired by all and is acquired by some. Yes, number 14. Why should I be suspected by you? Why should you suspect me? Number 15. The information is kept on our computer. We keep the information on our computer. The legend tells us how the castle received its name. Number 16. We are told by the legend how its name was received by the castle. Number 17. My watch was lost. I lost my watch. Number 18. Why did he defraud you of your earnings? Number 18. Yes, why were you defrauded of your earning by him? Number 19. The public will learn with astonishment that war is imminent. Yes, imminent. Number 19. It will be learned or learnt by the public with astonishment that war is imminent. With astonishment that war is imminent. He made his wife do the work. He made his wife do the work. 20. His wife was made to do the work. Number 21. The teacher appointed him monitor. He was appointed by the teacher monitor. The doctor despaired of his recovery. His recovery was despaired by the doctor. Number 23. He was refused admittance. 23. They refused him admittance. They laughed at his warning and objected to all his proposal. Number 24. His warnings were laughed at and all his proposals were objected to. Number 25. The people regarded him as an impostor and called him a villain. He was regarded as an impostor and called him a villain. Now this now keep watching our videos. I hope you will understand these videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.